Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can send money from Venmo to Cash App. So first is just open your Venmo application and log in. So unfortunately, you cannot directly transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. So you will need to transfer it to your bank account first as an intermediate step. So next is the transfer to bank. So just tap the menu icon, which is three horizontal lines in the top left corner, then select Transfer Balance. So from there, just choose Transfer to Bank and enter the amount that you want to send. And then standard transfers takes 1 to 3 business days. This is for free or instant, which you will have to pay the 1.75% fee. So it depends on you if you want instant or if you want free. So next is wait for the bank transfer. So just wait for the money to arrive in your linked bank account. The standard transfer is usually complete within 1 to 3 business days, so you will receive a notification when the transfer is complete. Next is open your Cash App and tap the banking tab or the dollar icon at the home screen. Then tap the add cash and enter the amount that you want to transfer from your bank account. Lastly is to confirm or to complete the transfer. So review the transfer details and tap add to confirm. So the money will be transferred from your bank account to Cash App. So this usually happens instantly or within a few minutes. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.